Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Inspirational Matters YouTube channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the future of finance. It's 2025 guys, and things are moving fast. We're talking AI, automation, the whole 9 yards. Specifically, we're going to be breaking down how these cutting-edge technologies are going to help you supercharge your passive income streams. We're talking about making your money work smarter, not harder, so you can sit back, relax, and watch those gains roll in. I'm talking about building a real, sustainable source of income that doesn't require you to be glued to a screen 24/7. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, stick around, because this video is going to be absolutely packed with valuable information that you won't want to miss. Let's get right to it. Alright, let's kick things off with one of the most exciting developments in the financial world, AI-driven stock trading platforms. Now, I know what you might be thinking. AI trading? Sounds risky, but trust me on this one. These platforms are like nothing you've ever seen before. We're talking about sophisticated algorithms that analyze massive amounts of data in real time to identify profitable trading opportunities. They can spot trends, assess risk, and execute trades with a speed and accuracy that puts even the most seasoned day traders to shame. And the best part? They do it all automatically 24/7. But here's the thing, not all AI trading platforms are created equal. You've got to do your research and find a reputable platform with a proven track record. Look for features like customizable risk settings, transparent fee structures, and access to educational resources. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to AI investing. Next up, let's talk about real estate. Now, real estate has always been a popular avenue for passive income, but it can be intimidating, right? Large down payments, dealing with tenants, property maintenance, it's a lot to handle. But that's where AI-powered real estate crowdfunding comes in. These platforms leverage AI to identify promising real estate investment opportunities, vet borrowers, and manage properties more efficiently. What this means for you is that you can invest in a diversified portfolio of rental properties with as little as a few $100s, and let the AI handle the rest. But here's the key. Diversification is crucial. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different property types, locations, and platforms to minimize risk and maximize your potential returns. AI can help you analyze these factors and make smarter investment decisions. Now let's move on to something a little different. Automated e-commerce stores. Imagine this. You wake up, grab your coffee, and check your phone to see that your online store has generated hundreds, even thousands of dollars in sales, all while you were sleeping. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Well, thanks to AI, this dream is becoming a reality for more and more people. With AI-powered tools, you can automate virtually every aspect of your e-commerce business, from product sourcing and listing optimization to customer service and order fulfillment. But here's the catch. You've got to find your niche. What unique products or services can you offer that will stand out in the crowded online marketplace? Once you've identified your niche, you can use AI to target your ideal customers, optimize your marketing campaigns, and create a seamless, automated shopping experience. Now let's talk about peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending for short. This is a really interesting one because it allows you to become the bank, essentially. With P2P lending, you can lend money directly to borrowers through online platforms, cutting out the traditional financial middleman. But here's the thing, lending money always comes with inherent risks. That's where AI can be a game changer. AI-powered P2P lending platforms use sophisticated algorithms to assess borrower creditworthiness, identify potential defaults, and even automate debt collection. Remember, diversification is key here as well. Instead of putting all your money into a single loan, spread your investments across multiple borrowers to minimize your risk. And always do your due diligence before lending any money. Finally, let's talk about a classic passive income strategy, dividend-paying stocks. For those of you who are new to the game, dividends are essentially a portion of a company's profits that are paid out to shareholders on a regular basis. It's like getting paid to own a piece of your favorite companies. But here's where AI comes into play. AI-powered dividend investing tools can help you identify companies with a strong history of dividend payments, analyze their financial health, and even predict future dividend growth. Remember, past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. but AI can give you a significant edge in identifying companies that are most likely to continue paying and growing their dividends over time. So there you have it, folks. 5 powerful ways you can leverage the power of artificial intelligence to boost your passive income streams in 2025 and beyond. Remember, the future of finance is here, and it's all about working smarter, not harder. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. I'm really passionate about helping you guys achieve financial freedom. So if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, drop them in the comments below. For now, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.